So yun, another day, another unboxing. So yun guys, from Goodies Nutrition. So magpapaka ano na naman tayo, healthy Glow Goodies at saka Digest Goodies. So ayun, internet, meron siyang HACCP certified tsaka ISO 2200. So So ayan, meron akong Glow Goodies at saka Digest Goodies. Tingnan natin after a month. So yun lang, bye.